probably hard to believe, but it's getting pretty close to Thanksgiving. I guess it's the 12th of November or the 13th. Anyway, we had our first ice storm yesterday out there, yet it's still spring in here. The tomatoes, I'm trimming them all up. It's a wreck. I've had very little time to stay on top of this stuff, but we got some big plans for this greenhouse, as well as the next 5 or 6 of them anyway. Things are changing around here, so stay tuned. Just want to let you know we're still here. We're still growing tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, herbs, everything that you can imagine growing in the summertime. We're growing it in the winter. God bless. Fensterfarm says have a happy Thanksgiving, and y'all be safe out there. Have some good time with your family. Go play in some dirt, some nutrient solution, some water, whatever it takes to grow something, even in the winter. Y'all take care. Bye. All right, I've got them all trimmed up and cleaned out of the aisle. Major difference. But anyway, we got a lot of blooms. I got to get these things pollinated either tonight or tomorrow. But I know this is still fresh in a lot of your minds, but the smell in here is amazing. I love the smell of tomato. Tomato plants, tomatoes ripening. It's hard to beat. But what's hard to believe is this may be my last season growing tomatoes, at least at this scale. I may be moving on to something a little more profitable. So stay tuned. But anyway, I'll be doing this all winter, and we'll see how it goes. God bless. Go play in some dirt, some nutrient solution, some fish water, whatever you have to grow something, and grow it, no matter what time of year it is. Take care. God bless.